Hello developers, in this video we are going to find out how we can write and read files in Flutter. Let's start with a small template. My template has nothing actually in the UI as you can see. So let's start. Let's start by giving a title. Let's say it file operations. Let's give a text field and a button which is a raised button with a text so that will be child with a text. Let's give it save to file and let's give it an onPressed event. OnPressed, it will be saved to file. We can define it later. Save file, and we will give another button to read the data from the file. So that will be another raised button with child text read from file, and OnPressed, let's leave it for now, or we'll define it an empty function for now. Let's remove the save file as well. Okay, and we'll give another text in which we will show the contents from the file. Okay, now we will define a string file contents that will store the file's contents and show it in the text. So we will initialize with an empty string, and we will give the file contents to the text variable. File contents there. Okay, so after reloading you can see the changes in the simulator. Let's reload. Let's restart the app. Sometimes it won't take effect, so let's restart the app so you can see the no data. And now so everything looks okay. Now let's create another file which will be an utility file. So go ahead and create a new file. It will be called fileutils.dart, where we'll have all the functions for file operations. Let's say it class fileutils. Now for using file operations in Flutter, we need to import a library. So go to pubspec.yaml and import the path provider library. You can Google it and see what is the path provider latest version. Let's go ahead and import that. Import the path provider. There it is. Okay. Now let's define the okay. We'll import the .io as well, so that we will get the file descriptor. Let's start with some functions that will be static functions. So all are async functions, so it will be returning a future. So future string, let's get the file path. So that will be an async function. Since these are all blocking functions, we'll be giving it as an async. Let's get the directory where we want to store the files. So return the path of the directory.path. Now we will get the file. So that will be another static function with future and return type as file. So that comes from the dart.io. So get file. So that will be another async function. So that will be final path equal to await get file path. So return the path, the whole path. So that will be a new file with $path slash our file. So let's name it myfile.txt. So next we will write another function to save the contents to a file. So that will be a future file. All these are async functions, so the return type will be always the future. So save to file with the data parameter. So final file equal to get the file await get file. So we got the file. Now we are going to write the contents to file. So return file dot write. So we forgot the async function. Okay. So that will be write a string data. So we'll write the function to read from the file. That will be another async function which will return the string as the future. Read from file async. Let's have a try catch block. So if there is an error, we will catch that error and return some error or some. Let's return it empty string for now. Now inside the try, let's write final the file get the file to read await get file. These are all blocking functions, so use await. So string the file contents equal to file dot await. Sorry. So that's also a blocking function. So we use await file dot read as string. So that will return the contents. Let's return the contents. So all done. Now let's go to the main file and hook the functions. Before that, we need to get the contents from the text field to write to the file. So that is done by using a text editing controller. So let's create the variable my controller equal to text editing controller. Let's use the controller in the text field. So let's give it to the controller property my controller. Okay, let's go to save to file on plus method. So that will be file utils. Oh, we forgot to import. Let's import file utils. Okay, so that will be file utils dot save to file with the text my controller. So that will be the text from the text field my controller dot text. That's the use of the controller. Let's read from the file. So that will be, since that is an asynchronous function, let's see how we can write. So that will be file utils dot read from file dot then. So it will not immediately return, so you need to use the then with the file. Let's name it contents, so we don't confuse it with the current state variable. So let's, once we receive the contents from the file, we'll update the state. So that will be set state file contents equal to contents. Okay, let's set the file contents of Okay, we already set the file contents to the text, so it's all good. Let's run the app. Let's try something. Hello, save to file, read from file. There it is. So we successfully read from the file. Let's try to update the file. Hello from Flutter, save to file, again read from the file. There it is. So all good. So everything is working fine. So thank you for watching, and please leave your comments and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.